You saved like a champ for retirement. 401k, Roth, the whole shebang. But now you're staring at that nest egg like, okay, now what? Yeah, that's the problem. Chen, financial coach and CEO of Call to Leap, says the biggest mistake he sees isn't saving too little, it's not having a plan for how to actually use your savings. Chen says too many people rely on hope instead of mapping out spending, taxes, and healthcare costs. Translation: you wouldn't road trip without GPS, so why retire without a financial map? It's not just about saving, it's about spending strategically. Chen teaches a bucket strategy that divides your savings based on when you'll need the money. Funds you'll need within 2 years should be in high-yield savings. Money you want access to in 3 to 10 years should be in conservative investments. For longer-term investments, focus on growth. Most folks focus on the 4% rule for retirement, but Chen says don't stop there. Using a flexible approach instead of a fixed rule can help savings last much longer. Blend withdrawals across taxable, Roth, and traditional accounts to reduce taxes and extend your savings runway. The worst retirement mistake isn't spending too much, it's not planning at all. Chen's advice? Don't let fear or rigidity steal your golden years. Make a flexible plan, balance growth with safety, and actually enjoy the retirement you've worked so hard for. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.